How to remove repost on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove repost on Instagram. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, just look for the repost tab on your profile. And once you have seen that, you can just tap on it to go to your repost tab. And now here, you'll see all the reposts that you have reposted. Now there, you can scroll down and tap on any repost that you want to remove. And now here, once you are inside that post, then what you can do is you can just look at the right hand side, and there you can just look for the repost sign, and there you can just tap on it to remove that repost. And here, once you do that, that post will be removed from your repost tab. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.